welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm Andrea and I'm going to come on and show you what I got from Knit Stars. And I purchased these items from the Spring 2022 Hot Loops wall when I went to their event that was hosted by Shelly, who is the owner, and also in collaboration with Gigi. And Gigi is the iconic orange lady, and I'm so excited to open this package. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Oh yay. This package so beautifully. Oh look. Nice mint green color tissue paper. Aww. Oh, I got a card here. It says Andrea. Ooh, look, y'all. Wow, this is so wonderful and sweet. Oh. It says, thank you for ordering from Knit Stars. Enjoy your yarns from Nature's Luxury and Moondrake. Great color choices. Would love to see what you create. Let's keep knitting the world together. Hugs and kisses, Mary. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Oh, that's so nice. So, I got this journal. Oh my goodness. Knit Stars flagship store. Oh, this is beautiful. I can do so much with this. I love little journals. This is very, very nice. Excellent. Oh, these hanks are so beautiful. I am going to take them out of the package, come back on so you won't hear all of that crinkling. So give me a sec. This Moondrake Co is a beautiful orange color. Very, very nice saturation. I am loving it. This is called Preppy, and it is 109 yards. It's 50 grams. This is a worsted weight yarn and 100% superwash merino. 4-ply. So you would wash in cold water and you'll lay flat to dry. And the recommended needles is a 4.5 to a 5.5 millimeter. This was so beautiful. $17 for each hank. And I mean, it's a nice burnt orange color. Has a nice feel to it. And I went ahead and I got 2 of these. They are very beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am going to make something very, very nice with this. And I just wanted to add this to my stash of yarn because it was just so lovely. So I went ahead and I got this. This one, the burnt orange, was called On Purpose. I went ahead and got the Moondrake Preppy yarn called Show Up and Show Out. I went ahead and got this one because I thought it would be a great combination. What do you all think? You can let me know in the comments. But I thought this would make a nice sweater or a shawl, a cowl or something like that. And I just love the Show Up and Show Out because, first of all, the name, but it will offer a pop of color and detail. Look at that. Look at the tip of this with that cream, and then you have little hints of hunter green and black and yellow mixed in, just kind of shaken onto the yarn fibers like speckles of color with the show up and show out. And I thought this would be a great combination. So this is what I had in mind when I made this purchase for pairing these yarns together. I think On Purpose, which is the burnt orange and the show up and show out with that cream and pops of the orange, yellow, forest green, and those beautiful colors, and black just speckled in there would give a nice pop to something. Last but not least, I bought these. These are called Nature's Luxury. Yes. And I bought this from Knit Stars also. This is called Geisha. And oh, these are so lovely. When I saw them online, I thought, oh, wow, look at the shine on this ribbon yarn and how this would really make a garment beautiful with a lot of nice drape, and also a shawl too. But I was thinking more so of a top or something like that, a beach cover up. It's just a myriad of different things. So let me tell you a little bit about it. This is 100% silk. It is ribbon yarn. The regular price is $39.99, and they are currently on sale. And when I purchased them, were on sale for $19.99. So I had to grab them. Now, the yardage is plus or minus 300 meters, which is 50 grams. Your needle size, the recommended size is a 2.5 or a 2 to a 3.5. And it says 4 for Europe, UK, and US. And you hand wash this. This particular colorway is called Andalus Frill. This beautiful color here. And this is more of a fuchsia color, and it has dark, medium, and light fuchsia colors running throughout with a little pop of orange you can see in there, and yellow, maybe a little bit of cream. And oh, this was just so lovely. I might end up getting some more of this because of the saturation and color, and it's on sale. So keep that in mind if you want some luxurious yarn. This ribbon yarn is just going to be heavenly. And this is what you're going to be working with, a very fine ribbon yarn. This is going to have a lovely drape. I would love to make a shawl with this. So this one is called Treasure Island. And this is a light gray color. And the last one I got is called Coral Reef. You all know I needed to get a little Coral Reef. Just love the name. And it goes with my channel theme. But also, it's just beautiful. It's a nice coral color. So when you're thinking of corals, you're thinking of nice peach color. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Look at that shine that it offers. So I just wanted to share my purchase. I know it's a short video, but this is what I got from Knit Stars. If you don't know Knit Stars, y'all need to go and check them out. Shelly is just a fabulous lady with a wonderful story. You all need to go and check her out on her social media. Knit the world together. Knitting the world together is their slogan. So for you knitters out there, I'm telling you, Her store is heavenly. She started off small and she turned her business into an over 6,000 square foot place of love and wonder and just bringing all yarny people together. And that's what I love about her store. Please go and check her out. knitstars.com. I will make sure that I put the information in the description box down below. As a matter of fact, they're having an event today at 1 p.m. Eastern, which is 12 Central Standard Time. This event will be on Zoom, and you had to go ahead and register to sign up, just like I registered to sign up for the event for the Hot Loops wall that particular day. So in order for you to find out this information, go ahead and sign up for their newsletter. That information will be on their website, but we will be meeting the Knit Stars. For those of you that are thinking about or are already knitting, you can go ahead and sign up for their master classes. They will be having some coming up via Zoom, and you all need to go and check it out. I'm telling you, it's going to be great, and you'll get to meet other knitters, crocheters, crafters, and you'll get to meet some wonderful people and learn something. Take something from whatever event that you attend. So thank you for tuning in. You guys check out my social media as well, my Instagram, my Facebook, and community tab. I do post there daily. You can check all that information out on my about page, Ojo the Crocheting Sailor. That about tab, you can go ahead and click that, and then you can go ahead and follow me there. So you all have a glorious day, and thank you for watching.